Full speed.
Hi, Megan here.
Eunice!
Tristan!
We're at the beach today. It is 7-2-09. Katie is going to go run in the water very fastly, and we're going to watch her.
I have to get away from the rocks.
Oh, this is... Well, I think they made it. Over and out.